Two passenger trains collided in the province of Malaga in southern Spain at 8:30 p.m. local time. The collision involved trains traveling on the routes Seville-Malaga and Malaga-Seville. 13 people were injured, including 3 minors with minor injuries. Medical assistance was provided to the injured, and 2 people were hospitalized. The train to Seville had 153 people on board, while the train to Malaga had 100 people. The last carriage of one of the trains derailed and overturned, but fortunately, there were no passengers on board.